Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use Afterpay in store. So let's get started. So first of all we will just open here our Afterpay. Okay, so to use in store you have to follow the steps. So you have to first sign up for the card, then you have to set up your card with your Apple wallet, or if you are Android, if you can set up in your Realme wallet or Samsung Pay, you can just set up it. Then you have to find the nearby store, okay, like this, that will accept your Afterpay. Then you have the option to, like, when you will just pay them, after that you have to option to tap to pay. Then you have the option to do all payment, or you can just pay in in 2 weeks, okay, 2 to 4 weeks, four payments like $37, 37, 37, 150 completed. Then the same afterpay perks you to love and build in store. Okay, so this is how we can just use the Afterpay card in our uh, in store. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.